Yo, what's up guys, Range here, bringing you guys a white noise online video. Today I'm here with Rexa and Keeko. Say what's up.
What's up, nigga dick?
Alright, and we don't even know what map we're going to play on, but we're also playing on Nightmare. And if you have headphones on, crank this shit down, because we're screaming. Alright, we only know what Rexa's doing. Hurry up and pick someone. Alright, I'm starting it now. Oh, we have the museum map. Alright, where's we at? Okay, Keeko, you can stay in the back. Alright, so, who's, and that's why you're supposed to have your lights off, DA. Alright.
Oh my god!
Yo, the girl I'm playing has a big ass, that's all I have to say.
Oh, I hear tape. Oh, there it
Yeah,
is.
tape. So this, if you guys don't know what white noise online is, basically it's just like Slenderman, except it's more scary because white noise, like the person that's coming to chase you, it's like the guy, like when you see him, it's like a pop out, like no matter like how far away he is, like you'll see it was like boom like that. I don't know, explain it, but it's almost scary. Right, make up your mind where to go. Yo, hey. Oh! See like that, guys? You see what I mean? You see exactly what I mean?
I almost had a fucking heart attack.
I'm so far behind you guys.
Dude, I think I dinged that person. That person's head's off.
Oh wait, what happened to Keeko?
I'm so slow, I told you.
Oh, here it is.
Hey, here's a tape. Alright, two.
I turned my flashlight off, nigga.
Is he behind us?
Alright. Yeah.
Don't turn your flashlight off.
Why?
Because you're gonna need to see. Oh, we can go through that shit? Oh, shit. Why do you have a rail in there when you go through it?
Fucking stupid. GB coming around. Remember Jeff? GB coming around the mountain.
Oh, yeah.
Because he's just trying to take a I'm pretty to like turn my game volume. Oh my god, my game volume just cranked up. Holy Jimmy.
Already tape over there.
Holy Jimmy Dean.
I gotta poop. Holy shit. I don't want him to pop out anymore because I'm gonna
I
poop.
was so scared. I thought he was gonna be around that fucking corner. Yo, it's
Oh! Don't look behind. Do not look behind. Do not look behind. Do not look behind. Alright, look behind right now.
I'm so slow, dude.
Oh!
Wow!
So we're turning around. We are going to turn the fuck around.
Guys,
Alright, I'm going left, guys, come.
wait for me.
Dude, that guy's a big ass forehead, what the fuck?
Stop! I'm gonna die!
I'm stopping, where the hell you guys at?
I'm right behind you, Range.
Dude, yeah, you guys had some big ass foreheads.
Look at
Dude, that kid, dude, I told you my girl's ass.
Oh my god, he looks like a kid. Cool.
Yo, there's a tape over here somewhere, guys. Oh,
Where?
behind us. Yo,
Oh,
guys,
nope.
don't keep on going. There's a tape in this room.
Oh, nope. Where's this bitch at? Oh, he's not behind us anymore. Where you guys at? Come on.
Right here.
Alright, follow me. I don't even care for a tape right now.
Behind these heads somewhere.
Alright, well, we gotta. Oh, nope.
Oh, fuck that. Let's go.
Dude, we're getting cornered right now. You guys following me? You guys following the big ass?
I just turned on my light.
Look at her. She has a
Oh my god, he's
long
right there.
head.
To your right.
Hey, stop for a second, little mama. Nah, just kidding.
He's got some big ass.
You guys still behind me? Like right on my ass so I don't get caught?
Yeah, I'm like right on.
Hey, I'm right on your ass now, bitch. Oh yeah. Let me put your
There has
spiky
to
hair
be
up right in my hand.
one in there. Tell me if you guys hear it.
Coughing.
If you're like,
Oh my god, he's in the
if
doorway.
you're
Do not go right.
He's in the doorway? Okay. I thought I looked that way. We're going left. Go all the way
If you
left.
hear static. Wait, you guys behind me?
Yeah, I'm like right on your
I'm
asshole.
way far behind. Hold
Well,
I'm right on your Elvis Presley hairline.
on. I'm way back.
if we hear static, like
If you hear static, go towards it. It's not like Slenderman. Like
it's either
you go towards
deep
it.
or it's like a pickle.
You know, my flashlight's starting to go. I need to turn it off for a second.
Or a giant
I'm just gonna follow you. My flashlight's starting to mess up right now. Yeah, Keeko's probably gonna be the first to die.
Yeah, I've never played this game before, Pinhead.
Alright, we haven't seen him in a while, so he's probably gonna end up killing one of those. Oh, dude, we're back to the guys. Wait, where's the guy I build? I gotta find the guy I build. Where is he at? Oh, there he is.
Statue warriors.
You see this guy? That guy has a small hairline. Not hairline, forehead. I'm just making fun.
Where you guys
This
at?
video is all about hairlines and foreheads, guys.
Where you at, Rain?
Right
Oh,
behind
no, Keeko's right here. Let's just go slow for Keeko.
No!
Nope. I heard you scream. Nope. Well, we're going straight. We're going straight. Come on, guys.
He's behind us. He's behind us.
Oh, go back in here.
Are you guys following me? Please tell me you're following me.
I'm about
Yeah.
to die. I'm about to die.
Dude, I remember when I first played this game, I was playing with these randoms, and I'm like, hey, is it possible, like, I was last alive, and I said, is it possible for the guy to teleport in front of me? Right after I finished that sentence, he popped right in front of me and killed me.
Something just happened. I got stuck on something. Wait up. Yo, my screen.
Oh, nope.
My screen says that. Yo, wait up.
She'll be coming around the mountain once you come. She'll be coming around the mountain once you come. Oh, nope. No, I'm coming towards you. I'm running. Nigga, I'm running. I am out. Yo, my lights are off right now, and I do not want to look behind me, because I think he's behind me. Dude, this guy's getting. Dude, we're just going in circles like fucking dumbasses. What?
No, Rexa went behind us. He went back towards the guy.
Wait for me.
Stop,
for a
stop,
second.
Rush.
Stop. What are you guys doing?
I'm turning around. Okay, he's not behind us. Never mind.
Dude, can you like change your sensitivity or something in this game?
Nope, I wish. Dude, if I get change my sensitivity, people get donged. Okay, so we're gonna go. Oh, don't go right. We're not going right. Dude, we're going in circles. Dude, we have to go behind us now. We have to go this way. Oh, no, we're not. Nope, we're not going that way.
Nope.
Alright, everybody go left. Go left side. We're circling around this bitch as he gets slapped right in his forehead. And we're gonna turn around now. We've already been playing for 7 minutes. Oh, don't look left. Do not look left.
But I look left anyway.
This is gonna be a long ass video, bro.
Exactly, that's why I cut stuff up.
So like, are you gonna cut it up right before we see him and stuff? You felt that vibration?
No, I like the fun stuff. Are you guys behind me?
Yeah, my controller. We're far back. My controller
Ooh, that
vibrated.
big old ghetto boy.
Oh, he's right behind us. Are you guys behind me now? He's getting ready to kill one of us. Just saying.
Cami, I'm not in the back of the fucking pack. Keeko, you're done for. You're done for.
I can hear somebody's game.
Yo, I want to see the guy with my light off. I don't know why.
Where'd you get that booty at, Range?
I think it's for my mom. No, it's for my dad.
Let me
Wait
get
up.
up.
I'm about to die.
Dude, this is like a big ass room. This is scary. Yeah, just remind me not to like never ever go in museums. Dude, that guy's like staring at me like, what the hell? Look at that guy. He's like, yo, what to do?
Voice crack.
Oh, no, I always voice crack. Don't look at the green thing. Do not look at the green thing.
It's a giant nigga dick.
Don't look at the thing. Do not look at the thing. Because that thing will kill you.
We haven't been in here, have we? Oh my god!
Don't look left.
Yeah, don't
I'm
look
really
left.
far behind you guys, just so you know.
Oh, you're dead because he's starting to cut people off. You're still behind me,
But
Rexa.
I've seen him leap on him and fucking eat his
I
head
just came
off.
out of the pickle room.
Out of the pickle room.
Yo, I swear if this guy's right behind. Yo, we have not found a tape in forever.
Staring at us.
So I've been running this whole entire time. I'm still behind you guys. You guys fucking
Yo, whoa, look up, Rexa. Holy shit. That's trippy.
It's like it's in your logo.
What
Look,
is that?
I-
Is that fog?
I just somebody look behind me.
Little fart clouds everywhere.
Please, cloud. Oh, poop stains flying everywhere.
Yo, we're honestly just going in circles. Yo, this starts to look like trippy.
Oh, my controller's vibrated.
Let's just go right. Every single,
Right.
like, room we get into,
Y'all
go
niggas
right.
need to wait up.
Yeah, I remember on this one map, I used to depend on cameras. Like, if there's a camera going that way, then I'll be like, it'll be okay. And like this one way that there was only a camera, I died.
Where'd you go, dude?
Where'd I go?
There you
Up. Look to your left. We're going left. Come on.
What's that?
We gotta find some tapes, yo.
Is he in this room that we're about about to go in.
Go!
I gotta take a big wanker.
Yo, you guys behind me?
What is that? That looks like the Nexus logo, kind of, huh?
That looks like another pickle.
There has to be
Tell me
tape
that
in here.
doesn't look like
It's
the
a
I found a
baby
tape.
baby.
I found a tape. Hey, you guys behind me still?
Dagger. Ooh, bend over and get it.
I'll bend over and get it. You like that?
Alright.
Alright, we're going straight. You guys still behind me, base? Dude, oh, dude, this is like, hey, there's a green thing just saying on the left.
Oh,
Dude, is this room where the white guy rapes you?
oh, he's
Yeah.
behind us. He's behind the jog behind you. Do not look
Damn,
behind you.
behind us, nigga.
I just turned around and I saw him.
He behind us, you nigga.
Let go, I'm stuck on your bunghole.
We're going right. We're going right. Oh yeah, there's bloody footsteps. Yeah, let's go right.
We're going in circles. We've already been over here.
Nigga, I don't want to go. It's fucking pitch black. Where do you expect me to go?
Oh, my flashlight's like going in and out.
Turn off once in a now and then.
Where'd you guys go? Oh, I lost you.
Rex, are you still behind me?
Oh, there you are.
Rex, are you still behind me?
Yeah.
Alright. I swear, if I'm myself, if you're by yourself and you're like, if you are actually lost, then, oh, yeah, I feel something dripping off me.
Alright.
Why am I sweating?
Alright.
He's to our right, or we go to our right? Oh! Yo, he just randomly popped up there, yo. Holy poop. Holy poop, holy poop, holy poop. It's dangerous to go alone. Oh, I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to die.
Fucking behind us. Come on, just follow me.
Where you at, where you at, where you at? Yo, I'm dead, niggas, I'm dead.
Dude, we're gone. He's right on our ass, though. Oh, I just heard that, right?
Niggas, I'm dead.
Watch out.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Out of here.
We're behind you.
I'm dead.
Come on.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm just waiting for it. Hurry up and abduct me, you stupid clown.
He's right on my head.
Dude, he's right by. Oh, there we go. Bye. Have a great time.
He's breathing. Bye, good night.
Who's died?
That nigga needs to brush his teeth.